Panchito approved.
All right, guys. Today we got set up the lights. They have them ready for waterproof, and we haven't extended them yet. We haven't even put them in there, but they give you the actual 4 different connections in here that they actually have to strap into the plastics itself for the LED so they could be grounded. All right. Now this remote control, you have the power button here, so we're gonna turn it off here. All right. It's an IR connection, of course. You got brightness. You got plus. And then you got a minus. So we're going to put minus a little bit, and we're going to go back to plus. And right here, we got 100%, 50%, and then 25%. But we're going to keep it 100%. Now we have different modes, right? We're going to change the mode. There's one mode, it turns off and on for Christmas or holidays that are coming on, or maybe you want to land an airplane. This is a good way to do it. Now, here's another mode, and the flashing mode. In the slower flash, and then the bright flash. This is like for a real airport emergency landing area, you know, which is not bad. You could actually, if you want to have your runway, you could set these up. And these are powered, right? You're going to need power. They're not solar, they're powered. So let's go back into the regular mode where we had it. So when you have your modes, your different modes like off and on, and you want to get out of that mode, you can just go to light and it goes back to the actual light itself. All right. So these are pretty bright. We're going to set up in a garden, and they are very good for aesthetic if you have a little beautiful garden or any kind of area. These are outdoor graded. They're covered pretty nice and neat. And like I said, do not put them near your car lot because cars could break them into it. So just don't put any weight on it. Keep them on your garden. These are beautiful little lights, and we are going to connect them. They give you a long cord so you can stretch these out throughout the garden. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Go. And we're putting up those nice fog lights for decoration. All right, here are the lights. Put them in the actual path. So when you're walking at night, you can put them in your garden. You can put them in front of the trees. You could light them up. You could change the lightness. You could change the modes. And it gives you better aesthetics for your gardening. You guys can see that. Beautiful lights.